Preservation Society. I saved Donald Duck, Waterville and Variety. We are the Desperate Dan Appreciation Society. God save strawberry jam and all the different variety. Preserving the old ways from being abused. Protecting the new ways from me and from you. What more can we do? We are the Draft Beer Preservation Society. God save Mrs. Morgan, good old Mother Riley. We are the Custard Pie Appreciation Consortium. God save George Cross and all those awarded. We are the Sherlock Holmes English speaking vernacular. Help save Fu Manchu, Moriarty and Dracula. We are the Office Block Persecution Infinity. God save the little shops and China cups and virginity. We are the Skyscraper Convention Facilities. God save the Tudor houses and antique tables and billiards. Preserving the old ways from being abused. Protecting the new ways from me and from you. And what can we do? We are the Village Green Preservation Society. God save Donald Duck, Porterville and Varieties. We are the Desperate Dan Appreciation Society. God save strawberry jam and all the different variety. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sort of Fingers back with you again with another golden oldie. Probably, maybe not familiar with a lot of people this one. This is a song from the Kinks, okay, from an album called The Village Green Preservation Society, and this was the title track from the album, okay. Quite tricky. It's basically simple in its chord structure, but trying to sing this and play it at the same time is not particularly easy, but so I do apologise for my singing on this song, and I probably lost the tune a few times as well, but it's just for reference, okay. So for those Kinks fans out there, I don't think this has been done on YouTube before, as far as I know, as a lesson, but this is my attempt at it, and hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days and I'll show you how I played it. Bye for now.